Today we are going to focus the new chapter Microbes in Human Welfare. Microbes in Human Welfare. In this chapter what we are discussing means microbes are present in everywhere. So these microbes are utilized for household products purpose and industrial products purpose, and preparing the industrial products means such as some of the chemicals and some of the enzymes preparation, and these microbes are used to, for preparation of some of the bioactive molecules, and these microbes are used removing the waste, that means the sewage. That means these microbes are used to treat the sewage. That means the sewage treatment purpose are also used. Next, the microbes are utilized to the production of biogas. And one more concept in this chapter, microbes are used, that means nowadays it is act as a biocontrol agents. Biocontrol agent means what? Nowadays farmers are using the pesticides. That means it is very expensive process. Instead of the place, nowadays are introducing the biocontrol agents, natural organisms, and how it is utilizing the biofertilizers. You can see in this chapter microbes in human welfare. In this chapter first, the microscopic plants and animals and microbes are present in the biological system on the earth. What are they? Microbial plants, very small microbial plant, that means zooplanktons, and also microscopic animals means it is the phytoplasm. Microscopic plants means it is the phytoplanktons. Microscopic animals means it is the zooplanktons, and microbes, that is bacteria and viruses. All these are present in the biological system on the earth. Next, these microbes are present in everywhere. The microbes are present in everywhere. That means here air and also water and also soil, anywhere, okay, different regions, okay, and also inside the body. Inside the body, that means it may be human beings, animals, okay. So they are either these microbes are present in anywhere, such as what you call it is air, water, soil, inside the body. These are regions are many, they are occupied. Next, these microbes are present in different sites. These microbes are present in different areas, that means sites. What are they? Particularly some of the extremely habitats, that means thermal springs, geysers, Thermal spring, that means the temperature is more than 100 degrees centigrade. The temperature is high, like that nearly about it is 100 degrees centigrade. Such as regions, these are microbes also that can live. Next, deep in soil. Deep in soil is different layers are present in the soil in the different region. That means deep in soil, that means you can the large amount of it is the soil you can remove. So in that soil region, small microbes are present. What are they? Will see. And under layers of snow, under layers of snow, several meters thick. Here, what is this? They are under layers of snow, several meters thick in the regions. The snow, they are thickly formed, several meters in thickness. In such a condition, also, that can live these microbes. And one more point, where it is that some of the region, another special region, highly acidic environment. High acidic environment. In such a regions, these microbes are living. Okay, once again see. So these microbes are present in some specific areas. That means an extremely area that's we call it is geysers. That means the thermal springs. We call it is the thermal springs. The temperature exceeds that of it is 100 degrees centigrade. Such a regions also these organisms are living. Microorganisms and deep in soil and under layers of snow. That means several meters thickness such as snow in that region also there can be living these microbes. And high acidic environment condition also these microbes are living. Next. What are the microbes are example? Suppose the microbes like these microbes like bacteria. The bacteria. This bacteria also belongs to the group already you learned in the first year, Monera group. Okay, Monera. And one more microbes example, protozoa. Protozoa belongs to the group. What are they? Protista. Protista, different organisms are there. Is one of the subgroup. This is protozoa is present in Protista group. And then fungi. The fungi also is a microbe. This is a kingdom. It is the fungi. And viruses, and one more viroids and prions. Already you learned this word in first year biological classification. Prions, it is the proteinaceous infectious agents. Proteinaceous infectious agents. So all these are the microbes. Okay, once again this point. The microbes. Microbes are one of the examples of the bacteria. It belongs to the group. It is a Monera group. And protozoa, protista. Fungi is also separate kingdom. It is there. Fungi kingdom and viruses and viroids and prions. The prions means it is a proteinaceous infectious agents. We call it is the prions. Okay. So these are the basic points and also these microbes. Suppose for example these microbes are how it is. Suppose for example bacteria. So the bacteria it can be one bacteria can be put it in one petri dish. That means in the petri dish we are providing the some of the nutrient medium. So this nutrient medium, in that one bacteria, any bacteria you can put inside this nutrient medium automatically within night. So it can be culture. Culture is automatically they multiply the number. So the microbes their number again increases. Okay. So that means on the microbial culture, for we are utilizing the nutrient medium. Nutrient medium means the food. For food, these microbes are taken as food and also multiplied. So the process of reproduction, it can be multiplied. So they are increasing their population. So in that petri dish area, in the lab condition. Okay. So this is the basic points. Next. After that, we are going to discuss their microbes in household products. Okay. The microbes in household products. Next, we are going to discuss another concept, microbes. Microbes in household products. Microbes in household products. That means in the household products, how it is utilized these microbes. That means the microbes are producing the different products. These microbes are utilized to the production of different products. So first of all, what are they? So what are the main household products are present? Suppose first one example, curd. The microbes are main the production of curd. This production of curd from milk. The production of curd from milk. How to form this curd? That means here lactic acid bacteria. Lactic acid bacteria. This lactic acid bacteria converted milk to curd. Okay, this lactic acid bacteria grow in milk and it is converted into a curd. Next, one more point. This lactic acid bacteria produce acids. This lactic acid bacteria produce acids and coagulates. Coagulate means clot in the milk. So the earlier way, the lactic acid bacteria producing the acids and coagulates. Okay, and coagulates and partially digest the milk proteins. Partially digest the milk proteins. Okay, once again see this point. The LAB, lactic acid bacteria, producing the acids and coagulates, that is clot, and partially digest the milk proteins. A small amount of curd. So at night at a household you can see a small amount of curd, that is 1 or 2 drops or few drops of curd. It can be added to the milk. Okay. Okay, it can be added to the milk. After that, here nearly 5 to 6 hours later, it can be converted into curd. So, a small amount of curd it is added to the milk. That's we called inoculum or starter. That's what you call inoculum or starter. Once again, see this point. A small amount of curd is added to the milk. That's we call the small amount of curd. We call what do you call it is inoculum or starter. And this LAB main it is what are the main roles? The LAB it can be improves the nutritional quality. Okay, nutritional quality means by increasing the vitamin B12. By increasing the vitamin B12, and also this LAB play another major role, checking the particularly in stomach. In our stomach, checking the disease causing organisms. Checking the disease causing microbes. Once again say this one. So the LAB it is improves the nutrition quality by increasing the vitamin B12. And also one more point, in our stomach, so this is LAB is checking that what are the disease causing organisms. Okay, this is the main thought how it is utilize the LAB. Actually, some of the microbes it is harmful to human beings, human beings means here human welfare, all the human beings. And some of the microbes it is utilized, some of the microbes it is harmful. So how it is utilized in human welfare? These are the different microbial organisms. Once again, say this the curd. So the curd is comes from the milk. So the LAB that is lactic acid bacteria grow in the milk and it is converted into curd. So this LAB it is releasing the acids in the milk and coagulate and partially digest the milk proteins. And then a small amount of curd it is added to the milk. Such a small amount of curd we call it is inoculum or starter. And then it is improves the LAB. It improves the nutritional quality by increasing the vitamin B12. And also in the stomach, so it is checking the what are the disease causing organism microbes are present. This LAB it is can be checked inside the body. What are the disease causing organisms that these microbes are present. So that is you can see in that microbe. And second one, in the household product. Very important these products. In that chapter, microbes names are also very important. You have to recognize these microbes. Next, second one, it is dough. The dough means it is used to making of food. It is making food such as idli and dosa material. So the idli and dosa material in the household they prepare. So how it is prepared? It is a fermented material. Okay, it is a fermented material. That means it is fermented by bacteria. It is fermented by bacteria. That means here in this material it is releasing a large amount of it is the CO2. Okay, that means the puffed up appearance. Particularly what is this? Here whenever it is all the materials are they are mixed. Here they keep it here it is 4 to 5 hours later. So how it is formed this material? It is the dough material. It is a puffed up appearance. Puff, that means swollen appearance. The puffed up appearance of dog. Okay, the puffed up appearance of this dog. What will happen here? Production of CO2. That is this puffed up appearance of this material. It can be released in the CO2. Okay, that's it. And this dough materials, this dough is used to prepare in the cakes. So that's why it is made in this process, preparation of cakes. It can be utilized in the some of the microbes. That's what we call it is the yeast. Okay, so the dough is used to making of breads and cakes. In this purpose, we are adding it is a yeast powder. That is, yeast means it is a microbial organism. So the yeast, the scientific name, it is Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Okay, Saccharomyces cerevisiae. This is the genus, this is the species. This is capital letter, these are the small letter. Okay, so this is the dough material. So once again, see this dough. It is used to making a food such as this idli and dosa. And then this material it is fermented by bacteria. And then so here the puffed up means these are the swollen appearance when it comes. So this dough material within after storage 4 to 5 later it can be puffed up. What is this one? Puffed up appearance it will be formed. That means here what do you call it is the swollen appearance. The puffed up appearance of this dough material it releases the carbon dioxide. Then the small holes are formed. So this one holes in the from that is the carbon dioxide can comes out. That is the fermented dough. And also the dough is used to preparing some of the cakes and also breads. So in this process you can use the microbe that's what we call it is a yeast. So this is called Saccharomyces cerevisiae. So that's why the yeast we are called generally we call it is a baker's yeast. Baker's yeast. Okay, and also in some of the alcohol industries also used. So that's why this yeast we call it is a brewer's yeast. These are called brewer's yeast. So this is the dough material. Scientific name Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Recognize this scientific name. Next one more. One more material it is so first one curd, second one is dough, and third one it is toddy. Toddy is a traditional drink. Okay, it is a traditional drink made by fermenting sap. It is made by fermenting sap from palm plants, palms. Okay, toddy means generally we call what we call it natural daru. It is a white substances, the white milk like that is present. You can see it is generally in Kannada we call it as thalihannu. This thalihannu plant. So from the plant generally we call it as palm means it is a phoenix plants. They are different. Here thalihannu plants are present. That means one of the example is a phoenix. So this phoenix plants also. That means palm plants also. From the plants we are at the shoot tip region. The shoot tip is removed. You can make a tongue-like structure. This tongue we are arranged at the shoot region. From that shoot it can be producing the drop-like substances. This is we call it is a toddy. That means it is a natural daru material. So this natural material. So it is a natural alcohol like that. This is the natural alcohol. So the toddy is a traditional drink. It is comes from it is mainly fermenting sap from where? Palm plants. Palm. P-A-L. Palm plants. So in this is the toddy. Next one more you can see cheese. cheese you can see a large holes. See, in the cheese, large holes. Okay, so this a large holes of a Swiss cheese. The large holes in the Swiss cheese, okay, due to the production of large amount of carbon dioxide. So the Swiss cheese fermented by bacteria Propioni bacterium Shermani. Very important, this name. The large holes in the Swiss cheese due to the production of large amount of carbon dioxide by the bacterium name. That's what you call Propionibacterium shermani. Propionibacterium shermani. Next, one more cheese name I will say. Roquefort cheese. Roquefort cheese. This Roquefort cheese ripened by growing a specific fungi on them. Okay, Roquefort cheese is growing. Very particular, this Roquefort cheese are ripened by growing a specific fungi on them. So, which fungi? What is this one? The fungi name, it is Penicillium. Penicillium roqueforti. So, this cheese, it gives a specific flavor. It gives specific flavor. Okay, so that is name. What do you call it? Is a Penicillium. So this is the Penicillium roqueforti. Once I can say, so cheeses. Cheese means a large holes are formed. So these large holes, it can be the large holes in the Swiss cheese. There is a large amount of it is a carbon dioxide, large amount of carbon dioxide by the bacterium, because of the bacterium Propionibacterium shermani. And also one more cheese we call it as the Roquefort cheese. This Roquefort cheese ripened. Okay, this Roquefort cheese ripened by growing a specific fungi on them. So because of reason this Roquefort cheese it gives a specific color. So because of the fungi name it is a Penicillium roqueforti. So these are the household products, and one more some other household products I will say. So mainly the microbes are also used. These microbes also used fermenting some of the fishes and also some of the soya beans. Okay, soya beans also can be fermented, and also some of the materials such as the bamboo shoots also. Bamboo shoots also fermented that can be utilized as a food material in different countries. Okay, so find microbes. Some of the microbes are it can be utilized, and these fishes and soya beans and bamboo shoots. It is these materials are fermented. It is used as a food material in different countries. And also one more example I will say, it is sozu and tofu. It is not present. It is the point of view it can be utilized. So sozu and tofu. This sozu and tofu, it is a cheese-like products. What is this one? Cheese-like products. Cheese-like products. These are made. It comes from. It is fermented by nuclear species. Okay, it can be fermented by this nuclear species. And one more, you can see the temp. Temp also just can be used as a food material. Sozu and tofu. And also one more material, this is the temp. Temp means it is an Indonesian Indonesian food. Indonesian food. This Indonesian food, it can be fermented and also dried and also salted and also fried of soybean material. So this also used as a food material. Okay. So these are the different food materials. So mainly used as different countries. Okay. So this is also one of the neat point of food can be utilized. These are the specific food products. So stones on tofu, these are seed-like products that can be comes from these are eucalyptus species and temp. It is a relation products. So this temp, it is actually this comes from soya beans. So this temp product is mainly is fermented and then dried and also salted and also fried later. It can be used as these food materials. Okay, so they are in this process. It can be used as a fermented means there are different kinds of microbes are utilized. Okay, so these are the microbes in household products. Okay, very important for 5 marks, and sometimes are asked is the 3 marks question. And one more point from this chapter, compulsory will come in the final examination. 1 marks question 1 and 5 marks question 1 compulsory. It is a 5 marks question 1 marks question 1. Nearly it is a 6 concepts are present and 6 to 7 concepts are present. So from these 6 concepts you will compulsory will get is a 1 5 marks question. 1 marks question based on microbes we can ask. All microbes you have to learn in this chapter. That's it. So next